Hi, your nervous system and endocrine system are the two greatest allies in your spiritual journey. Why? Because unless they are regulated, relaxed, and feel safe enough for you to receive something significant or relevant in your life, you will not be able to receive them. That is why most of the spiritual practices are all about calming you down, relaxing you down to the gamma levels, because then they open their gateways and allow you to receive what you need to receive. So, when they are open and allowing yourself to receive, then that is the right time for you. And that is why it is called divine timing. And they are the keepers of this very divine timing. Isn't it amazing? Adios.